What if you could verify if your compost was actually doing its job? What if you could verify if the inoculants, the mycorrhizal inoculants, biofertilizers, are actually worth the money spending on them? What if you could diagnose what was going wrong with the soil or wrong with the plants and fix it and exactly know what to address? It is all possible. And it's all things you can learn in the Regenerative Soil Microscopy 20-week online course. Join us for the full in-depth course that pairs with the new book, Regenerative Soil Microscopy. If you want to know how to use a microscope to diagnose and evaluate your compost teas and extracts, your roots, mycorrhizal fungi, your soil, and all your amendments and biofertilizers, then this is the course for you. It's new videos at the start of every week for 20 weeks straight, and we have live Q&A at the end of every week. I'll send a survey out so everyone's questions get answered regardless of whether they're with us live, because I'll move the live around so that we'll reach people in different time zones because we're a global community. It's going to be incredible. There's live sessions that we're going to have with other people in the group with our microscopes. You're going to be able to see the work of other people on their microscope in real time and develop your eye. I'm going to be able to jump into your group and we're going to be able to examine and troubleshoot and help everyone learn how to use microscopy to better understand their soil, their compost, their actual samples. We're going to do a lot of work together on interpretation and diagnosis and understanding and extrapolation from these tests. We're going to walk through it step by step together with me, the author and creator of the Regenerative Soil Microscopy book, course, and methods. So you're going to see going down to the original source material, why I chose what I did, the test results that I got that led me to the choices that I made to create the methodologies we have today. It will surprise you and inspire you because we are at the cusp of a revolution in soil science. In Regenerative Soil Microscopy, explore and understand the world at a completely new level. Transform your soil, transform your plants, your food, your animals, your forage, your landscape, the environment from the soil up. And we'll cover everything. Not just bright field, we'll go beyond bright field. You've waited long enough. There's dark field, there's epifluorescence so that you can see the fungi, so that you can see where phosphorus goes and glows. Also biological stains, so you can verify that things are actually active, and without the freezing, without the liquid molten agar. These are living samples that are just diluted 1 to 100 and then stained. It's incredibly easy. It's so fast, and it's an all new method. So I'm so excited about this. I've been able to verify things with world-renowned scientists, highly published scientists, people who have been teaching and focusing on this area of study of microscopy for 40 and 50 years. I am so excited to share this with you because we've all waited long enough to know how soil actually works, to not be fooled by the numbers and the math that has been legacied in. There is a path forward that disambiguates, that opens new doors, that pairs with DNA sequencing, that pairs with the new understanding of the way genetic transfer occurs, especially in the soil environment, the composting environment, and the rhizospheric environments. If you want to learn how to not just understand your soil, but to see that the things you're doing are actually working, that the money that you're going to spend or have spent was worth it, so you don't get fooled again, this is the pathway, Regenerative Soil Microscopy. I hope you join us. I'm Matt Powers, author, educator, seed saver, citizen scientist, and family guy. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively.